How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can factory reset your Xiaomi electric scooters. Now, for most models out there, it's going to be extremely simple. Just connect it to the application from Xiaomi. Head over to settings and you will be able to get yourself the reset button or the factory reset option. Now, for most scooters out there, this next method will go ahead and work. Basically, just go ahead and press or push down this buttons right here simultaneously for around 5 seconds until you see a red 14 appear on the LCD pop-up display. So that buttons is going to be this lever. So you just want to go ahead and push it down. The power button, you want to do this while it's turned on. And before you press the power button, you also want to go ahead and also press this downward. So it will go ahead and turn inward like this. So the first button is going to be the brakes, this push lever, and then the power button. Wait until the 14 icon appears on the display. And from there, you should be good to go. This will fix a lot of problems. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.